Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing a clear niche and 3 content pillars so your channel has direction. This matters because viewers subscribe to patterns. Once decided, make a Google/YouTube account and a memorable channel name, then set basic branding. Next, record your first test video, 30 to 90 seconds, with natural light and simple audio. Upload it unlisted to review. This first upload teaches you framing, pacing, and editing speed, so you improve fast rather than waiting for perfect gear. Once you have a test done, assemble a minimal kit. Phone, external mic, tripod, it's cheap and effective. Then build a repeatable workflow, script or bullet outline, one-take filming, quick edit with a template, because consistency beats sporadic perfection. Make presets for color, intro, and end card so edits take minutes, not hours. Batch record 3 to 5 videos in one session to reduce setup time and schedule uploads. This keeps momentum and trains your audience to expect content on set days. You now publish with intent. Write a clear title, craft a bold thumbnail, add a description with keywords and one tag group. These choices shape discovery. Promote on one external platform and reply to your first 50 comments to build community, because engagement signals matter. If views stay low, change the thumbnail or re-upload at a different time and test a new hook in the first 5 seconds. That's the fastest troubleshooting move. Keep iterating. Small A/B changes reveal what resonates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.